Hey guys, what's up? It's another Chase and Kate's Adventures video, and it's me, just Chase, because Kate's not here, obviously. But anyways, comment down below what other videos you want us to do, and also I just wanted to tell you guys that I am updating the channel again. We're so sorry we haven't been posting videos. We didn't see each other really at all this summer. And like I said, we haven't done anything this summer, and it's just hard to even try to post videos. I'm gonna talk to her about maybe once a week, or maybe once a month at least. Maybe we can do like a Facebook game thing together. But we'll see. At least get some video out there once a month. But I hope you guys understand that. Also, like I said, I'm gonna be updating the channel, so what I'm doing is I redid the end slate, and that's hopefully gonna be better. I also am gonna try to redo our channel art, and our profile picture staying the same because we like that. We want to try to do some gameplays. We just don't know what games you want us to try to play. Maybe we can react, like I could bring next time they're over here, we can play Slender. Like I'm fun with Slender right now, and I want to kind of try to get her to play, because she scares so easily, and it's hilarious sometimes. Maybe we can react. I do want to react to our bloopers, so we can maybe react to those, do a video of that, so you guys can really see them and know they're on Gamer Chase. But anyways, I am getting in the episode here because I liked it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Peace out. And we'll see you later in the next adventure of Chase and Kate's Adventure. Dab out. And let us know if you guys want us to do another, think of a new outro, because dabbing is kind of old. But anyways, like I said, dab. Alright guys, so this is just a preview of our thing. Hope you guys liked it.